Hi everybody, I am Eileen.
Hi, I'm John.
We are here today to tell you about PET bottles recycling.
And how you can play a part in this meaningful activity.
This is a normal plastic bottle, usually filled with water or soft drinks.
And after we use these bottles, they are usually thrown away into the rubbish bins and will eventually be burnt. Toxic gases are released in the process, and the lifespan of the bottles would come to an end.
In addition, some of these used bottles may be found littered on the streets, in the river, or on the beach.
All these actions cause pollution and are harmful to the environment.
So what can we do about it?
Basically, we can collect used PET bottles and make something new out of them.
That's great, because everything we throw away needs to be disposed of someday somewhere. It would be great if we could recycle them.
Yes, and moreover, for everything we produce, we need natural resources, which are raw materials and energy, and they are limited.
So disposal has to be avoided whenever possible.
Next step in the hierarchy is capturing useful material for waste to energy programs.
Conservation of materials means we should reduce using things made of limited raw materials, or we reuse the items to avoid wastage. Another opportunity is to recycle things, which are commonly done for batteries, packaging,
and also used PET bottles.
So let's make something useful out of used bottles.
It's easy. Collect bottles wherever you find them.
Then empty the used bottles of all liquid. Use the hand crushers supplied in your school to crush them. And put the crushed bottles into the bins provided.
These PET bottles will then be collected and sorted and washed in a recycling plant.
After that, the crushed bottles will be processed into what is known as PET flakes.
This secondary raw material will be heated and goes into a specific injection molding process, where it is pulled into threads and made into t-shirts, sports clothes, or cushion stuffing.
What we've shown you is that PET bottles are made from raw materials and they can be recycled into new things.
Exactly, there's no waste. We can make something new out of used PET bottles.
And we want you to make something useful out of used PET bottles.
To protect the environment.
And every school collecting bottles will be rewarded in our Return to Value school competition.